Look at this dumbass. All he needed to do was a straight back. Look at all this space. These niggas are having a hard time backing this trailer up. Look. That's it's almost, I say it's already 5 minutes. I just started recording, but Smugs, it's 5 minutes long. But damn, Covenant, y'all niggas need to retrain your drivers. All he needed to do was a straight back. Come on, man. See, these are the drivers that kill people on the road. Watch out for Covenant. Watch out for Swift. Watch out for every motherfucker that's out there. If you see a semi, stay away. Because there's these niggas that ain't supposed to have a CDL that go out and get it just because they think the money's good. It is good money, but you gotta do what you gotta do first. Look, straight back, and he's all the way up here. He's almost close to me. And I'm like 50 yards, not 50 yards. Yeah, 50 yards. Yeah, I'm about 60 yards away from that parking spot. Look at this fool. Fucking dumbass nigga. Look at his co-driver. Damn. This is too funny. Yep. This is what not to do on the job. Truck 16732. Terrible, bro. You need to go back to school. Man, I hope he is not the student. Or I hope he is not the trainer. Because if he's the trainer, then the student need to back the truck up. Man, he got this little mirror right here he could use. You use that mirror right there, and the bottom of that mirror, which is like this mirror right here, the bottom right here, you use that to back up on your blind side. But the trainer's supposed to tell that to the student, but some trainers just don't know how to train. And you know what's funny? Because I'm a Covenant driver. So, F these niggas. It's all common sense, man. You're going too far already. What the hell are you going? You are too far, bruh. Look at where you're at and where the parking space is. Come on, dog. You crazy, man. Yo, stop. There's a truck coming, stupid. Man, that's a stupid trainer, dude. You should have hopped in already. You're stopping up traffic, man. I think this dude, he has to do a U-turn over here just to get out. Damn. It's too funny. See, if the trainer was smart, the truck would have been in there already. But he's just frustrated. He don't know what to tell the student. Can't expect the student to know what he's doing. Some people just don't have common sense. Oh, yeah, these are the niggas to watch out for. These straight from Africa niggas. Ooh, they dangerous. I mean, I ain't racist or anything. Look at the color of my skin. I'm almost black, nigga brown, but it's nothing like that. It's just, I'm saying, you just gotta watch out for these niggas on the road. They're good people, but they just don't have the skills to do this job. Sometimes, most of the time. There you go. I don't know what the trainer hopped out for. It's not like the kid was alley docking. All he was doing was straight back. The trainer could have just sat in there and tell him what to do, but damn. You have to get out to tell your student how to straight back? It's crazy. That is crazy. Well, there you have it. Watch out for Covenant. Watch out for CRST. Watch out for England. Watch out for Swift. They're the ones training a lot of these kids. Some of those kids, no common sense. No kind of common sense. See how easy that was? It's just a straight back. Nothing else. Damn, bro. 10 minutes, not 11 minutes later. I mean, because the video's 6 minutes, but I've been watching this for like the last longer than that. Yeah. Be happy he put it back in there. Oh, here comes one. There's another one to look out for. See, he's blind backing over there. See that spot right there? Let's see if he know how to do what he's doing. See, he don't know how to watch that mirror. See, when you blind back, when you back up on your blind side, you gotta use this little mirror, which is on that side of the truck. You know, your passenger side of the truck, and you gotta use that mirror right there. Which, you know, he knows what he's doing. A lot of practice, man. No, not really a lot. It's just common sense. If you can't see something, look around. And you're guaranteed to see whatever's on your blind side with that mirror and that little one right there. Damn, boy, watch it. You almost hit that truck. Got all the room on the other side. You better than that truck. That truck means do straight back, means struggling all day. Well, that's it, world. YouTubers, enjoy the video.